Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Philips Sonicare replacement heads in black. The Philips Sonicare Genuine A3 Premium All-in-One Replacement Toothbrush Heads. Model HX9092/95. If you're someone who values top-notch oral care and wants a brush head that delivers superior performance, this might just be what you've been searching for. These brush heads are designed to be compatible with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles, which means whether you have the latest model or an older one, these heads will fit perfectly. What makes the A3 Premium All-in-One brush head stand out is its unique combination of plaque removal, gum health improvement, and whitening features, all packed into one brush head, so you don't have to compromise on any aspect of your dental care. One of the key benefits is the effectiveness in plaque removal. This brush head removes up to 20 times more plaque compared to a manual toothbrush, making it a powerful tool for maintaining a clean and healthy mouth. The design includes triangular tips that are specially crafted to brush away stains effectively, promising visibly whiter teeth in as little as 2 days when used with whitening toothpaste. Besides plaque removal and whitening, these heads also focus on your gum health. Clinical studies show that users can experience healthier gums in just 6 weeks, with up to 15 times improvement over manual brushing. This makes the brush heads not only effective for cleaning but also gentle enough to promote gum care and reduce irritation. Another smart feature of these brush heads is the brush sync technology. When paired with a brush sync compatible handle, it tracks how long and how hard you brush and reminds you when it's time to replace the brush head. This ensures you are always brushing with an effective and hygienic brush head without having to guess when to switch. The brush heads are made with high-quality nylon bristles, offering soft yet thorough cleaning suitable for adult users. Each pack contains 2 brush heads in a sleek black color, which not only looks stylish but also helps differentiate your replacement heads easily if you share your toothbrush handle with someone else. As for the design and build, the dimensions are compact, roughly about 1 inch wide and under 9 inches long, making them lightweight and easy to handle. They snap on securely and are easy to replace, which keeps your Sonicare toothbrush working at peak performance. To sum it up, the Philips Sonicare Genuine A3 Premium All-in-One Replacement Toothbrush Heads offer a comprehensive cleaning experience by combining powerful plaque removal, effective whitening, and gum health benefits. They fit seamlessly with all Sonicare click-on handles and come with intelligent brush sync replacement reminders, making them a convenient and smart choice for anyone invested in oral hygiene. If you're looking to upgrade your Sonicare brush heads to get the most out of your electric toothbrush, the A3 Premium All-in-One heads are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.